Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will present the latest features that we've added to the new version of AppSeed, which by the way it's open source. For those that are aware of this, if you access the AppSeed, the current AppSeed platform, you have here in the footer you have the AppSeed version 2, which leads you to this domain. This domain will be the next one because we want to migrate from AppSeed because this one is more related to what we do, and basically we are providing developer tools and things that automatize the software development process. So the new platform is open source. You can click here on the GitHub link and you are redirected to GitHub, and this repository it's a public one. You can take a look. You can start it yourself in your environment. And during this demonstration, I will showcase the latest commands and latest tools we've added to the product. So, being being a Python and Django code base and also enhanced with React, we need to once we've cloned the source code, we need to create a virtual environment, install the dependencies, migrate the database, and all these are optional, but you can create also super user and start a server. In this demonstration, I will showcase how to use the generator, which will generate a Django code base based on using your preferences. Also, this one tool interactive is the latest tool we've added, that it knows how to collect your input and save all the options in a new JSON file, which later it's used here by the generator to generate the code. Once the code is generated, I will upload the code to GitHub using this GitHub uploader tool. And once the generated code is it's uploaded to GitHub, I will use render to deploy it live. So let's start with this demonstration. So the first thing is to create a new JSON. You can also use the default ones that are provided here in the source directory. We have here the template for Volt. So basically it's a Django code base that uses Volt as a design. The same for Soft, Pixel, and Admin LTE. And the generator knows how to generate code using this minimal input. But the interactive tool uses this template to inject your options, generate a new template, and based on that we can generate a new product. Okay, let me start a demonstration. So the first thing, as I said before, is to launch the interactive console for the generator. We have here -i prints the help. Okay, let's generate a new tool. Let's say a new JSON, simple Django project. So the backend framework, we need to select Django. Soon will be Flask, Fast API, Node.js, and other backend frameworks. The UI kit, you can choose any of this. I will keep the defaults. Database, add a product model, no. Extended user model, no. Docker scripts, no. Render CI/CD script, yes, because I want to later deploy it on render. Live deploy, no. This option regarding the live deploy is like you generate the code and you simply want to push it to live, but in this demonstration I will do it manually. Okay, so the new generated JSON is this one. We can check out here. We can see it's the green. Okay, let's visualize the options. We have the data-able design, SQLite. We have here the CI/CD deployment option, which informs the generator that we need the scripts to deploy it on render. Okay, now let's follow up this suggested command that will use the template to generate the project. Okay. Now the generator does all the hard work and enhance the project to and start a project. We can also visualize here in the generated code. We can see the template, the same as it's simply copied in this directory, and also the Django template generated, which uses the same ID here as a prefix, and we can see here is the code. Okay, now we have the code. Generating the code, of course, we can navigate here and start the project, but I think it's better to test it live on render, because running a project in an isolated environment as a such as the deployment server might be better for validation. So in this case, I will go back to help and use the syntax manage tool GitHub uploader, and I will put here I will input for the -d option, which comes from the directory. I will put the generated project, and here is the GitHub key that allows me to upload the sources to my account. You can get your own key from the from your GitHub settings account. In case anyone have issues, ping us in support, but it's something related to your GitHub settings, to your personal GitHub settings, and this can be easily achieved. Okay, let's go back here, and I will upload the project. So I have the key in my environment, and here I will put the directory, which is this one. It starts with yes, it's correct. Okay, let's upload the project to GitHub. We can see here the progress. Okay, so this is the repository. Let me access the GitHub platform. So we can see here a new repository was added, and is this one. So we can access it. All the code from the local file system is mirrored here in GitHub. And the next step, of course, is we can check out the project and start following the build steps. But let's try to live deploy the project. I will go to render. For newcomers, render, it's a super handy deployment platform, much like Heroku, but it's enhanced. And in order to deploy any of our projects, you simply go here to blueprint, create a new blueprint. You need to input the repository here. No need to do anything else. You can, I don't know, put this ID as an identifier, deploy blueprint, and if we access the dashboard, we can see here the deploying is active. And now we need to wait around 1 minute, I think. in order to have the project running in live. So until deployment is complete, we can go back in the chat again about this new version. So anyone can sign in with GitHub. We have some new things here. This is an admin account, but you can check out your downloads, free and also paid. In case you already purchased something from AppSeed, we will pull automatically from Gumroad the sales that are related to your email. The platform also supports two emails. This email is pulled from GitHub because it's the from the sign-in, and also you can add a second email used for checking out the sales from Gumroad, and also used for communication like newsletter and whatever. You have also here blog section. You can write articles in case you want to be a trusted editor. You need to contact us. We have the support tickets system here. No need to open tickets in GitHub or external services. Now we have an integrated ticketing system, and also the platform will be super interactive, and the design is currently made by our partners from creative team that are helping us with the new interface. Okay, you can list here the applications, apps. I don't think there are apps registered. Okay, you can go here and watch the demo and whatever. Okay, let's go back to the deployment and check out the status. It's a little bit slow, I don't know why. Usually the deployment takes around 1 minute. If it's not working, we can go back to the local file system and also start up the project in my workstation, but should be okay also in render. Another deploy. Okay, now it runs. You can see here that the modules are installed. All other things are running without issues, and soon we will see the product up and running. Let's navigate to the generated code. Let's navigate to the generated project. We can open up the project here, or simply, I think it's better to tests. Let me clone the project here. Start it from okay. Now I have the source code. I will open up the README and simply follow up the instructions. I think the service is fully deployed. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have here the application. Let's sign in. I don't know, test. I don't, the application is not provided with default users. Okay, so we need to sign up. test.appseed.us. This is the password. Okay, save. So we're in. We can see now all other pages. Let's go here to the shell and create a super user. Like this, we can also access the admin section. So it's Python manage create super user admin appseed.us. I'm using the same dummy password. Okay, let me perfect. Now let's sign out, and now go to the admin section and authenticate. So we are authenticated as super users, as a super user, and we can see here the users. So guys, this is demonstration. The generator code, the uploader, and all other things are released as an open source code. Feel free to access the application. If you want to contribute, also jumping into the platform. A lot of developers sign up lately, and also contact us in Discord to understand what we are trying to provide. Let us know what you think, and other things that will be added to soon to the generator and to the platform. We will enhance we will add more options regarding the code, like you can generate your own API on top of visually design models. So you can design your database. Later you can attach APIs to all those models, and also we will provide data tables for those models, or the entire code will be fully generated and should be stable. But this is a work in progress work, and we try to provide it as soon as possible. So if anyone wants to contribute, tell us what you think. Contact us in Discord, and we will be super happy to get help. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and we will soon see on other videos. Bye guys.